At 180, fire is one mistake away. Every stitch matters. Before a racing suit protects a professional driver from fire and impact, it must survive the factory first. Inside this specialized factory, fire-resistant materials are transformed into safety systems. It begins with specialized heat-resistant racing fabrics.
See this inconsistency right here? It failed the thermal resistance test to us.
Yes, the thickness is also slightly off the required spec.
Yeah.
Designers carefully map protection zones across the body. Every stitch line is precisely planned for safety. Fabric is cut into precise suit sections. Each panel must fit perfectly during final assembly. At this stage, it is only raw protective components.
Sleeves, torso, legs, inner lining, fireproof layers, threads.
Stitching begins with certified fire-resistant thread. The first seams form the base structure. Sleeves and torso are connected carefully together. Reinforced stitching is added to critical impact areas. Shoulder and knee zones receive extra protection. The suit begins to take its final racing shape. Inner fireproof lining is added next. This hidden layer is critical for heat protection. Ventilation zones are integrated for controlled airflow. Zippers and closures are securely installed. Every fastening system must resist intense heat. Elastic cuffs ensure full body coverage. The suit structure is now fully complete, but professional testing is where it proves itself. Heat tests simulate extreme fire exposure. Abrasion tests check long-term durability over time. Stitching is tested under heavy tension. Airflow systems are carefully verified. Every protective layer is pushed to its limit. Only approved suits move forward. They are cleaned and professionally finished. Each suit is carefully packaged for delivery. From factory to race teams, the journey begins. At the track, the suit is prepared for use. The driver puts it on before entering the race car. Every zipper and strap is fully secured. The suit becomes a protective second skin. Inside the cockpit, protection is constant. In extreme heat conditions, it resists fire exposure. During racing, it handles friction and movement. Every stitch plays a serious role in survival. Airflow keeps the driver comfortable under pressure. Flexibility allows full control behind the wheel. Safety is built into every single layer. From fiber to finished suit, nothing is random. Every stage is engineered for driver survival. Tested under extreme conditions before final approval. Built for the most dangerous motorsport environments. Designed to protect without limiting racing performance. From factory work to racetrack reality. Every suit carries precision safety engineering. It stands between the driver and danger. Even under fire, it holds strong. Every movement is supported by protective design. Every layer has a clear purpose. Built, tested, and trusted under extreme pressure. From raw fabric to racing protection system. That is how fireproof racing suits are made for extreme racing conditions. Subscribe for more factory to field.
Check the pressures, we're good to go.
Telemetry synced, pull the cable.
Clear on the left, let's move, let's move.